the most nutritious vegetables with the most health benefits. All vegetables contain healthful vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, but some stand out for their exceptional benefits. In this article, we look at some of the most healthful vegetables and suggest ways to enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable and a great source of calcium, vitamins, iron, and antioxidants. 1 cup of raw spinach is mostly made up of water and contains only 7 calories. Vitamin K is essential for a healthy body, especially for strong bones, as it improves the absorption of calcium. Spinach also provides a good amount of iron for energy and healthy blood, and a high level of magnesium for muscle and nerve function. It is also rich in antioxidants, and research suggests that spinach leaves may lower blood pressure and benefit heart health. It provides around 7 calories per cup of raw leaves and good amounts of vitamins A, C, and K. Kale may benefit people with high cholesterol. Research from 2015, meanwhile, suggests that kale juice can reduce blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. Twice the daily recommended amount of vitamin C. According to the National Cancer Institute, animal research has found that certain chemicals, called indoles and isothiocyanates, in cruciferous vegetables may inhibit the development of cancer in several organs, including the bladder, breasts, liver, and stem of green peas are a good source of plant-based protein, which may be especially beneficial for people with vegetarian or vegan diets. This is because they are low on the glycemic index and rich in fiber, so they may help regulate blood sugar. Beets and beet juice are great for improving heart health, as the vegetable is rich in heart-healthy nitrates. Each cup of chopped carrots contains 52 calories and over 4 times an adult's daily recommended intake of vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene. Certain nutrients in carrots may also have cancer-fighting properties. They may also prevent infection or antibiotic-induced diarrhea. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Research suggests that lycopene may help prevent prostate cancer, and the beta-carotene in tomatoes also helps combat cancer. The Age-Related Eye Disease study reports that people who have high dietary intakes of these substances have a 25% reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Each garlic clove contains just 4 calories and is low in vitamins and minerals. Each cup of alfalfa sprouts contains only 8 calories and a good amount of vitamin K. Research suggests that alfalfa sprouts contain antioxidants, which are compounds that may help fight diseases including cancer and heart disease. The American Heart Association recommends eating 25 grams of dietary fiber each day to promote heart and gut health. Research has linked this compound with cancer-combating effects in animals. And like broccoli, cauliflower contains another compound that may help combat cancer, sulforaphane. Thanks for watching. Share. Thanks for watching. Share.